Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Atteeq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Mohammed Atteeq Anwar, an education for us all. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर an education for us all. As you can see in front of you, we have a very simple ingredient. This is boiled potato. It's been cut into various shapes, whether you want them in half circle or full circle form. Okay, well, the first thing that you must do is to boil them a little bit, because what we're going to do is make them more crispy. I mean, they do crisp quite quickly, but we like them nice and soft. So if you don't like them soft, you can just add the flavorings of your choice. Well, before we do that, we need to add a little bit of oil. So can we oil that a little bit, please? Okay, and give that a little bit of a toss. Okay, make sure all of it is oiled. I think that's sufficient. And then if we could add some masala of your choice. Okay, so this is a mixed masala. It's actually fruit chaat masala, but you can make your own masala. Okay, again we need to give that a little bit of a toss, and then all we do is either air fry them or you can bake them in the oven. So can we put them in the air fryer, please? I don't know whether you can see through the glass there, viewers, but I do think the potatoes are now done, so we're going to turn off the air fryer and put them in a dish for you. And there are our sweet potatoes in a plate. Okay, ready to be served. They're not as crispy as I would have liked them, so I think I boiled them for a little longer than need be. I think the best thing is not to boil them, but as I say, we like them really soft. So I do hope you're going to try the recipe, viewers. Until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Until the next time, I say thank you once again. Look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.